Hey everyone, this is Kendall with TC Fit. I'm here to bring you a high intensity workout that is meant to be less than 20 minutes, super efficient, and 3 exercises. So easy as far as the amount of exercises that you're doing. It's meant to be 60 seconds, 45 seconds, and then 30 seconds. Each getting a little bit harder with each round, okay? So let's get into the workout. I'll do 2 rounds with you, and then you can complete 3 or 4 on your own, okay? All right. This is all body weight. First exercise, we have high knees. This is gonna be for 60 seconds, all right? I'm gonna get the timer on. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1, 60 seconds. So light on those toes, high knees, get those arms pumping. Keep breathing. Now, first round is not going to be that difficult. It gets harder and harder. And again, less than 20 minutes, super efficient. We're halfway there. Now, second exercise, we're going to bring it down to the ground. We have 20-second break in between. So as you can hear, I'm getting a little bit winded. Now we have 15 seconds left. Speed it up a little bit. Go, 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 go. Gonna get those arms moving. In 5, 3, 2, and 1, and break. So we stay here for 20 seconds. 20-second break. Keep moving around. We bring it down to the ground. Now we have 10 seconds left. Start to bring it down into a tabletop position. We stay here for 45 seconds. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. 3-point jump to the side, center, side. Side, center, side. From the front, this is what it looks like. Option, modification, stepping. Now, keep it going. You're gonna feel this burn into your quads. This is whole body, completely body weight. All right. Keep it going. So again, this is the modification. Another option, side to side. In 3, 2, and 1. Bring it on up. 20-second break. Last exercise, jack squats for 30 seconds. This is all out. All right, guys, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last push. 30 seconds. Keep it low. Stay light on those toes. Use those inner thighs to bring those legs back together. And again, this is meant to be high intensity. Heart rate should be up. Take a break if you need to. Whew. Now we have 10 seconds left. Keep it going. Sink it low, low. 5, 3, 2, and 1, and break. 20-second break. Now, do this about 3 to 4 more times, and then you have your high intensity workout. All right, check you later.